What is square? A rectangle in which adjacent sides are equal is called square. Or a rhombus which contain one angle is 90 degrees is called rhombus, square. A rhombus which contain one interior angle is 90 degrees is called square. Square means all sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel, opposite angles are equal, but each angle is 90 degrees. Here this is a square. What about this one? This is rectangle. Opposite sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel, opposite angles are equal, but each angle is 90 degrees. Suppose this is a ABCD rectangle, ABCD square. Here AD comma in rectangle, AC comma BD are the diagonals. Diagonals are bisect to each other. Length of the diagonals are equal here. In a rectangle, the length of the diagonals are equal. In a square, it is also a square. Length of the diagonals are equal. So square also having the length of the diagonals are equal. So length of the diagonals are equal. In each quadrilateral we have here, and that means only two quadrilaters. The quadrilater which having the length of diagonals are equal, they are only the square and rectangle. Length of the diagonals equal గా ఉన్నటువంటి quadrilaters only two quadrilaters. They are square, and first one is square, second one is rectangle. Okay, square means opposite sides are parallel, opposite angles are equal, but each angle is 90 degrees. All sides are equal. In which quadrilateral is formed joining the midpoint of squares. Midpoint of square. Suppose ABCD is a square. Midpoint of AB, midpoint of BC, midpoint of CD, midpoint of AD. A quadrilateral formed by joining the successively midpoints of sides of a square is also square. Right? This is also one square here. ABCD is a square. Midpoint of sides of ABCD. First one is something X, Y, Z, something P. X, Y, Z, P quadrilateral is also formed here square. The quadrilateral formed by joining successively the midpoints of sides of a square is known as square. So X, Y, Z, P is a square. X is the midpoint of AB, Y is the midpoint of BC, Z is the midpoint of CD, P is the midpoint of AD. So X, Y, Z form a square. The line segment joining midpoints of a square is also what we know here, square. What is curve? A figure formed on a plane surface joining a number of points without lifting without without lifting pencil is called curve. A figure formed by on a plane surface joining a number of points without lifting pencil without lifting pencil without lifting pencil. So this is known as curve. Curve without lifting pencil. Okay. What is open curve? A curve which does not end the same starting point. Suppose, for example, so this is a curve, open curve. A curve which does not end with the same starting point or which does not cut itself is called open curve. So if this is starting point, this one is ending point, not a closed. This is opened curve. What is closed curve? A curve which cuts itself, or which starts and ends at the same point is called closed curve. Suppose this is closed curve. This is open curve. Open curve. Okay. Open curve. Closed curve.